So just because we have a toxic family member or a toxic parent who is shameless in how they behave and how they treat people or you or whatever, it doesn't mean they shouldn't be ashamed of themselves. And that's kind of a tricky thing to kind of get our head around. Why? Is because we're so used to their shameless behavior. I tell clients that sometimes we have a parent that feels like they're untouchable. So if you have, that parent that like makes a scene at your wedding or throws a tantrum at a restaurant or just behaves, or they're a predator, literally. They're usually shameless in that. They're totally removed from how they affect other people. But the math still applies for every human being in that, like they should be ashamed of themselves. That is for you in your process. You're not going to get them to admit like they're ashamed of themselves. But for you, we're so used to them being untouchable that we carry the shame about who they are.